Jermaine?
Jarmaya, because a lot of people in my school speak two languages.
Because it's going to help her out in the world. You know, it's not so much it's a second language, it's becoming the norm. So it's just like English, so you have to know both, you know, because it's I guess a multi-diverse country. So Spanish will lead you on to learning other languages. So, you know, that's like one of the base languages outside of English.
Well, I didn't know if I was going to say the wrong word or something. It's fun.
It's more hands-on. She get to learn a lot more. I could see if it was like a lot of people in the classroom, there's no individual, pretty much there's no individual one-on-one. So now she's able to talk to the teacher. She's able to get everything together. It's one-on-one. Everything is direct. So, you know, I like it. It's a lot easier.